All right. Good afternoon, everybody. Happy New Year, 2023. Starting it off very busy. Figured I'd show y'all what we're working on here. Done some time-lapse videos yesterday. Working with my wife's uncle. He's got property right next door to us, and we are running his sawmill today. We ran it last night and cut up a couple of logs that I cut down, and we're going to get the rest of it today. I got about 12 pine trees I'm clearing in the back, and we're turning them into lumber on his sawmill. So we both got projects we got to do, and barns we got to build. So we're splitting the wood and splitting the time and the labor and energy. But I'll take you along and show you. We did 2 trunks yesterday, and I got the base of the tree today on just one. We're getting some beautiful boards out of it. So anyway, you'll see some time-lapse videos. I'll pop in every now and then, explain to you what we're doing or show you and talk to you for a minute. But anyway, we're going to get the tractor and get the chains and start hauling.
There we go. You see how difficult it was for me. Yeah, Lee is the one that does the video editing. I'm like, I'll video whatever you want me to video.
See, my youngin' coming.
It's like I couldn't tell if it was Jasmine or Tanner. They're both wearing green.
There's Jazz. And I see the tractor. You better run.
It's like I'll cut. The boys have made side cuts into the hills going up and trails and stuff, so she'll cut.
She hard to do. She done gone. I don't see her now. See it.
Yeah. Yep. At least it's deep water.
grab one more picture. Take a picture. All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Go. I didn't laugh you, but still. All right, rotate it. It's easier to get on the other side so you don't hurt yourself. Yeah, that's right. I like it. You want to lower that back down, couple? Yeah. We can actually lower them off then. Yeah, that's it. Wait, right up on those pegs. Big old 12 by 12. How's it look? We're going to take a little bit off of the top.
Okay, so like I said before, we had some setbacks with the blade, but found out it was a guide on the blade that was bent up. He had broke a braid previously a while back and had bent it, but we got over the hump of that, and that's the base of the pine tree. Cutting them in 12-foot sections, so that was the thickest. I'm clearing out 12 pine trees on my property, so that's the first one, and that was the base at the ground level. It was roughly 12 by 9.5 inches. So we are ripping them up right there. As you can see, we was discussing before we shot this exactly how to maximize your lumber out of a log, and we could get, I think it was 7 2x6s, true 2x6s, 12 foot, and then 7 2x4s. And then on the one side we'll have 3/4 inch by 12 inch plank board that's 12 foot long. So really utilized the log and had pretty much no waste. The waste that we did have will burn in the wood stove, but it's going smooth now, and got it dialed in. So I'm going to spend, after this rain gets out of here, next few days cutting down some pine trees. I got some 60-70 footers back there on my property. I got 10 or 11 left. So we're going to mill them up as we have time, and I'll take you along for the ride and show you bits and pieces as we get them milled up, and I'll get you a video of the lumber that we've got so far. It's pretty lumber. Minimal knots, just grade A hard pine lumber. So hope you enjoyed this. I'll let it roll a little bit more, and because it's just us cutting this massive log, finishing it out, and then us discussing on it. So I'll let it roll a little bit further, let y'all look and see how it operates, and then we'll catch you on the next one. Also, I want to give a big shout out to my wife's uncle, Stephen Benson. It's rare you got neighbors that want to help, but especially family. That's a neighbor. It's very kind of him to let us use his sawmill, have him show us the ropes on it, and also help with the trees and getting them cut up and milled into board for both of us to use. Both of us got big projects coming up, but huge thank you to Stephen. Really appreciate it, and looking forward to doing more trees with you, sir, and getting our projects completed. I also go give his daughter Jasmine Benson a look and give her a follow. She's got some cute videos on her page. We'll put a link to her page in our comments in this video. Thank you.